channel, Pinklovesparkle. I'm so happy you came back. So as you can see, this is my first inspired spring look. Today in sunny California, it was like 80 degrees. It still is super sunny. It's probably not 80 right now. It's kind of cooling down. But it's sunny and so nice. It's like the perfect spring day. So this just inspired me to do a look like this. I hope you like it, and I hope you continue to watch so you can do this yourself. For all my people back in New York, I know it's still a little chilly, but this is some glam that will get you in that spring mode. So I hope this is something that you would love to do for yourself or on somebody else, or just gives you some inspiration. And continue to watch so you can see how to do this. And make sure, if you haven't already, that you subscribe to my channel, please, so you can continue to see the new videos that I put out. I'm starting out with Bodyography makeup setting spray, and I'm doing my brows right after. I have LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural. I lined my brows and now I'm just dragging that down. Down below, I'll put the names of the palettes that I'm using in this video, but I'm going in with that burnt orange color, and I'm using that as my transition color. Next, I'm going in with that bright orange, and I'm putting that right on top of the burnt orange. Next, I'm going in with that dark brown color, and I'm putting that right on my outer V, and I'm going to blend it out. Using the white as a base for my yellow, first thing I do is warm it up on the back of my hand, and next thing I'm doing is pretty much patting it exactly where I want the yellow to go. So it took a while, but I eventually got it exactly where and how I wanted it to be. So I went in with that yellow color, and it pops so nicely because the base is white. So as you see, I'm just patting it along. I couldn't slide it, but I just patted right on top of the white base. As you see, I'm going in with that lighter brown color, and I'm pretty much cleaning up where the yellow and white base went, and I'm just putting it right on top. This look definitely called for a wing liner, so that's what I did, and I'm just cleaning it up with the makeup remover wipe. The next few steps is what I always do with highlighting and contouring and putting my foundation on, so I'm going to let you guys watch the next few steps. I also just want to add that I've been seeing a lot of people spray their face and then apply their highlight. So I've been trying that out the past few weeks and I really like how it makes the highlight pop. So I think I'm going to continue to do it that way. I did add lashes for this look. I'm using Blinque eyelashes in natural, and also I'm using a brown lip liner for this look. On my lips, I'm using Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the color Antique Pink, and it went super nicely with the brown lip liner that I used. The bright orange color that I'm using, I'm putting that as an under eye color, as you see here. I'm setting my face one last time, and this is how it came out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was fun making. The way I did my eyeshadow is a little different, but it definitely made the shadow pop. So that was a plus because I wanted this to be bright. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any requests, please let me know down below in the comment section. If you're not already, make sure you follow me on IG, Pinklovesparkle. That's what I'm basically on most of the time. And also Snapchat, if you're on Snapchat, Pinklovesparkle. And I'm just so happy that I was able to make this video, get some inspiration rolling for springtime for you. So I will see you lovely ladies and gents in my next video. Mwah.